Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Transit 350. The Transit 350 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, power steering, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, tachometer, power mirrors. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.